Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mueller, and today is MLD Monday, July 10th, 2023. Today's topic is, please don't put me on cross ties. After Maggie completed a 2-day equine manual lymph drainage workshop, she was looking forward to doing some gentle manual lymph drainage massage on her 30-year-old pony. Here is what she sent me. I worked on my 30-plus-year-old pony that is beyond safe. Never made a bad step. His reaction was his right hind leg started to quiver. He reared up and broke off the cross ties. What went wrong? Equine manual lymph drainage is exceptionally gentle. It's just stretching the hide ever so gently with almost little to no pressure. Unknowingly, I believe she released a major pain point. She reported he was fine the following day. Safety is first and foremost for all of us working in the equine industries. It's important to have ample space for horses to stretch their neck, legs, and body stretches, including getting down on their haunches. To learn more about the basic professional curriculum, email me at info@healequine.com. To review the basic professional curriculum, go to www.healeequine.com/lymphatic-curriculum. Better yet, schedule your free consultation to learn more about your journey of possibilities on how you can get the edge on this niche, untapped, neglected, and emerging market. Schedule a call at calendly.com/healeequine/curriculum and put a ding in your universe for 2023. Believe in the possible.